Welcome back and continuing the news. A simple act can mean the difference between life and death. This weekend, Jamaica's motorcycling community is once again trading helmets for humanitarian service as riders join forces with the police to help replenish the nation's blood supply. Alia Bryant explains.
The roar of motorcycle engines is usually associated with speed and adventure. But for members of the Jamaica Motorcyclists Association, this annual ride is about something far more important: saving lives. Emergency rooms continue to be overwhelmed by motorcycle crash victims who account for the majority of cases being treated across the island.
I'll be the first to tell you that motorcyclists put a great strain on our health system in Jamaica, and this is our way of giving back. It is our third staging, and it gets bigger as the years go by.
The objective is straightforward but critical. With hospitals constantly requiring blood for emergencies, surgeries, and patients battling illnesses, every donation has the potential to save multiple lives. Over the years, the initiative has gained momentum, attracting more riders, more volunteers, and more donors eager to make a difference.
Last year, 2025, we lost 111 motorcyclists on our nation's roads. This year, we lost 23 so far, and that's a 35% reduction. But what people don't think about is the ones that don't make the statistics, the ones that survive and go to the hospital and would need treatment. It takes an average $3 million Jamaican dollars to treat one severely injured motorcyclist.
Under the theme, Leave Your Blood at the Blood Bank, Not on the Streets, JMA President Marlon Fletcher says the partnership with the JCF reflects a shared commitment to serving communities beyond the road.
Because of the increase in fatalities over successive years, we have decided to partner with the JCF to have them and the bikers, having safety talk, come out and just share ideas on how we can reduce fatalities.
The Bikers Blood Drive will be held tomorrow, June 6, at the National Chest Hospital from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., bringing together bikers, police, volunteers, and government officials. Persons will be required to undergo a pre-screening process to determine whether they are eligible to donate blood.
They will tell if you're eligible to give blood by way of being anemic, diabetic, etc., etc. Once you clear that pre-screening, you can go out and give blood. Hydrate, eat a solid breakfast, and come out and donate blood.
Mr. Fletcher, who is also a servant member of the force, is encouraging members of the public to come out, donate, and help save lives, one pint at a time.
If you're not a biker and a motorcycle enthusiast, come out. There will be pretty bikes there you can look at. If you just want to donate some blood, please come out, because it's for a worthy cause. Well, I want to talk to the bikers specifically and implore and ensure that you guys wear your helmet, wear a certified helmet, and ensure that the helmet is securely fastened to your head. A helmet increases your possibility of surviving a crash by 60%. So bikers, please do the right thing.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.